Imagine a world where powerful leaders shape the destiny of entire civilizations. Today we uncover the secrets behind the rise of kingdoms for your 6th grade ICSE syllabus. Stay tuned. Ready? Let's dive in. First off, what is a kingdom? Simply put, a kingdom is a piece of land ruled by a king or queen. But how did these kingdoms come into existence? Well, it all started with the need for organization and protection. Long ago, small tribes and communities existed. As populations grew, people needed more resources like food and water, and they needed to defend themselves against invaders. So they started to unite under strong leaders who could provide protection and ensure everyone had what they needed. These leaders became the first kings and queens. One of the earliest examples of a powerful kingdom is ancient Egypt. The pharaohs, who were considered both kings and gods, ruled over a unified Egypt. They built massive structures like the pyramids and developed a complex society with laws, religion, and trade. Now let's shift our focus to Mesopotamia, another cradle of early kingdoms. Located between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, this region saw the rise of city-states like Uruk and Babylon. Kings like Hammurabi of Babylon created some of the earliest written laws which helped maintain order and justice. Over in India, we had the Maurya dynasty, which was one of the largest empires in ancient India. Chandragupta Maurya founded this empire, and his grandson Ashoka expanded it even further. Ashoka is famous for his conversion to Buddhism and his efforts to spread peace and welfare throughout his realm. So what made these kingdoms rise and thrive? Several factors played a role: strong leadership, a stable economy, military strength, and efficient administration. Kings and queens established laws, collected taxes, and built armies to defend their territories. They also developed trade routes that allowed them to exchange goods with neighboring regions, boosting their economies. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. Many kingdoms faced challenges like invasions, internal conflicts, and natural disasters. However, the ability to adapt and innovate often determined their survival. To sum it up, the rise of kingdoms was a complex process influenced by various factors. From ancient Egypt to the Maurya dynasty, these early kingdoms laid the foundation for modern civilizations. All right, that's a wrap for today's lesson. I hope this helps you understand the rise of kingdoms better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.